gonna bag tag you.
Awesome! I'll give you $300 if you let me zap you with this. These all...
iZombie, all new this Tuesday at 9/8 Central on the CW.
This could be our last sliver of paradise.
He dies, she dies, everybody dies.
Tried to warn you.
Well, next time, try harder.
Your friends, they're not going to be alive much longer.
Tomorrow, the ultimate crossover event is just getting started.
I'm gonna crack you open like a walnut.
Crisis on Earth X. Night 2 continues tomorrow at 8/7 Central on the CW.
I'm out!
We are headed for a fender bender of cataclysmic proportion. Me and a hot rod worm. It was a hot rod worm. Yeah.
End a relationship.
You're probably wondering why I'm in here.
I assume it's to make love.
Oh, no, you can keep your shirt on.
And defend Dad's honor.
I am so sorry. You were gonna punch my dad.
In the face!
Jane the Virgin. All new this Monday at 9/8 Central on the CW.
Ghoul was one of the greatest gunfighters ever.
Howdy, partner.
He died in 1886, which makes this a little weird. Good to have you back, Cass.
He really likes cowboys.
Doc Holliday! Heyo! Yes, he does.
Supernatural, all new next Thursday at 8/7 Central on the CW.
Party's over.
I've been kicked out for less.
Can someone please help me with my bags?
We'll take her home. You're staying with us.
He told me he was leaving me, and now I know it was for you. I'm sorry. Get out!
Dynasty, new series next Wednesday at 9/8 Central on the CW.
The Man with the Black Box is a terrifying examination of the corruptibility of mankind, where innocents transform into monsters, men of God become agents of destruction, and good men rise from the flames of damnation to become soldiers in the coming apocalypse. What's in the black box? Everyone's dying to know.